Tomcat 11 installation setup on Windows 10 operating system and runs Java applications. Google search box లో Java downloads enter key press Java downloads Oracle India second link click Oracle official redirectory web page complete display mouse scroll down Java SE development kit latest version 25.0.1 downloads section supporting OS Linux Mac OS Windows third option Windows click scroll down third option x64 MSI installer file size 181.05 MB third link click download section లో jdk-25 underscore windows x64 underscore bin.msi Microsoft installer file downloading process start wait and hear downloading process completing process completed top section లో new tab click search box లో latest version Tomcat 11 download enter key press Apache Tomcat 11 software downloads tomcat.apache.org first link click Apache Tomcat official web page complete display Tomcat 11 software downloads section mouse scroll down latest version 11.0.14 binary distributions section లో first one core related options fourth one Windows Service Installer fourth link click download section లో Apache-Tomcat latest version 11.0.14.exe setup file downloading process start file size 13.9 MB downloading process completed next installation setup process browser close file explorer document open left side downloads folder లో two set of files display second one jdk-25 select mouse double click open file security warning window లో first button run click folder minimize java jdk-25 setup window లో first button next click destination folder window లో installation jdk-25 path display local disk C program files newly created folder Java subfolder JDK25 second button next click Java SE development kit window lo first button yes click progress window lo Java JDK25 related application files installation process successfully installed close button click download folder reopen left side this PC select first one local disk C select open program files folder select open Java folder select open JDK25 folder select open address bar mouse left click mouse right click third option copy click folder minimize desktop Windows search box lo env enter first option edit the system environment variable select system properties window last button environment variables click second option system variable section lo first button new click first option variable name java underscore home enter second option variable value mouse right click fourth option paste click first button ok click path select second button edit click jdk25 folder open first one folder bin select open address bar mouse left click mouse right click fourth option copy click folder minimize right side first button new click mouse right click paste click ok click and ok click folder reopen left side downloads folder select first one Apache Tomcat 11 setup file select mouse double click Apache Tomcat installer window first button yes click folder next minimize welcome to the Apache Tomcat setup window first button license agreement application related complete info display in middle section Second button, I agree, click. Choose components, application related components, description, window display. Fourth one and fifth one, two options, left side box, tick mark set, mouse left click and left click. Second button, next click. Configuration, window, service, shutdown, port to 11, HTTP connections, port to 8080, Windows service name, Tomcat 11, remove, admin, enter. Create shortcut for all users, unnecessary, skip this option. Tomcat administrator, login, user, name, enter. Charlie Tech Info. Enter the password, minimum 10 characters, above, inbox. Next rules, default set. Second button, next click. Java Virtual Machine, path, selections. Default installation Java JDK 25. Path, detect and display inbox. Second button, next click. Choose installation location. Destination folder, box. Installation, path, display in box. Second button, install, click. Installing. Please wait while Apache Tomcat being installed. Completing the Apache Tomcat setup. Show readme. Second one, unnecessary tick mark remove. Second button, finish, click. Admin properties window close. Desktop browser reopen. Top section of address bar, mouse left click. Enter localhost 8080. Enter key press. Apache Tomcat web server page started. Right side third button. Host manager. Click. Sign in to access this site. First one option, username. Enter inbox. Username Charlie Tech Info. Second option, password. Enter the password in box. First button, sign in. Click. Save your password. Unnecessary. Present. Not now. Click. Tomcat Virtual Host Manager. Web page and service started. Adding any Java application. Present. Empty. Stop this service. Browser. Minimize. Desktop. Task Manager. Right side first icon. Show hidden icons. Click. Apache Tomcat. Shortcut icon. Mouse double click. Service status window. Service started. Stop this service. Second button. Stop. Click. Stop the following services. Stop display. In case start this service, first button. Start. Click.